Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe, like, comment, share and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our next Supreme content. Thank you.
Hello guys, Sir Supreme here. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. On this particular channel, we educate people on digital skills, tech tips, and how to make money online with your smartphone. If this meets any of your specification, please go ahead and hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our content. And if you are old to this particular channel, please like this particular video and comment if you have any comment about it. Okay, all right, so in this particular tutorial, I'm going to walk you through step by step how you can turn your normal SIM card to become a transfer SIM card, where you stand the opportunity of transferring airtime from your device to other device and getting commissioned. Okay, all right, so I'm going to walk you through step by step the interface of this particular portal and the business you can actually start with this particular offer. Okay, so without further ado, let's get straight into it. But before you can actually get access to this portal, you need to be registered as a retailer. Okay, so I'm going to leave a link at the comment section. Okay, I'm going to pin a link under the comment section. You tap on the link to get to reach me out so that you get yourself registered. Okay, yeah, it might involve a little token. Okay, all right, so let's get straight into it. The code is *161*1#. Okay, so this particular thing is actually pioneered by GH Mart. Okay, yeah, so let me just dial this. So when you come to the interface, we are having send airtime, send data bundle, my account, send e-credit, and register a retailer. Okay, so with the first option, which is send airtime, that is the option that is going to give you access for you to send the airtime to the recipient or the client who is buying the airtime from you. Okay, so once you select option 1, you are going to another pop-up menu will come where you are going to enter the recipient's contact details. Okay, after that, you go ahead and choose the amount the person is buying. Then you are going to authorize with your PIN. Okay, now when you register, you are going to receive a PIN where you use to access your account and all that. Okay, the same applies to send data bundle, and this is applicable to all network, that is MTN, Airtel, Tigo, and Vodafone. So the send data bundle to, if the person is buying data bundle of 1 Ghana cedis, 2 Ghana cedis, 3 Ghana cedis to any of the network, that is MTN, Airtel, Tigo, and Vodafone, you can use this particular portal to purchase for the person with ease. Okay, now the third option, that is your account. The third option, my account, when you tap on this my account, it is going to reveal to you all the commission that you are making from this particular business. Okay, you are going to receive all the money that, or all the commission rather, will be credited to your account where you are going to see it. Okay, and the fourth option is send e-credit. Okay, now with this particular fourth option, let's take for example, you want to send e-credit as a retailer to your fellow retailer. Okay, you can do that. Okay, so I think my time has expired, so I have to redial again. So let me quickly show you that. It's very, very important. So option 4, that is send e-credit. All right, so send e-credit to retailer. So if you are already having an e-credit on your device, you can send directly from your device to your fellow retailers account. Okay, and the second one is top up e-credit with mobile money. So for in case you don't have enough balance on your device, okay, where you can send to a retailer, you can top up with your Momo account. Okay, you can also use the second option, that is top up e-credit with mobile money. You can use your Momo wallet to top up e-credit for your fellow retailer, for in case the person is not having enough Momo to fund his account, you can use the second option to buy for the person. It's as simple as that, guys. So let me just dial again so that we proceed from there. Alright, so we've gone through the send airtime, send data bundle, my account, send e-credit, and the last option is register retailer. Okay, now with this register retailer, you will be able to register someone to also become EVD vendor, okay, where the person can also buy and sell EVD and get commission. Now let's get right away. So the option 5, register retailer, you tap on it, you input the retailer's contact details. After inputting the contact details, you select a pin for the person. That is a default pin. The person can later on change it by going to my account. Change password is there, the person can change it later. So you select and confirm the pin for the person, and automatically the person will be registered. Okay, yeah, once the person is registered, the person can now have access to this particular portal and start transacting, that is buying airtime and data bundle for clients and getting paid. Now the first business model here is that whenever you sell airtime to somebody, let's take for example, when the person is buying airtime of 1 cedi, the person is going to get, that one is how you want to price, or how you want to price it. Some places they charge 30 pesos for 1 cedi airtime, or 20 pesos for 1 cedi airtime. Okay, and some places go as far to charge 40 pesos for 1 cedi airtime. Okay, so let's take for example, if the person gives you 1 cedi that he is buying airtime, and you want to make a profit of, let's say, 40 pesos, that is depending on your area. Okay, some areas you can charge 40 pesos, but there are some places too, the higher you can charge is 20 pesos per every airtime you transfer. Okay, why? Because maybe one way or the other, that area there are a whole lot of transfer vendors where the person can easily get access to, and when the person can easily get access to a transfer vendor, the commission minimizes. Okay, yeah, so that is that. So let's say in your area there is not enough airtime vendors, but then people buy airtime always, okay, from the vendors. You can charge 30 pesos or 40 pesos. So if the person gives you let's say 1 cedi, if the person want to receive exactly 1 cedi of airtime, maybe the person will pay 30 pesos as your services. Okay, yeah, so your profit will become the 30 pesos. And if the person gives you 1 cedi without giving you the profit, you transfer 70 pesos to the person, then your profit becomes the 30 pesos. Okay, so if it is 2 cedis, you are going to charge 60 pesos on it. You send 1 cedi, 40 pesos of airtime to the person, then your profit becomes the 60 pesos. As simple as that. And another business model, or how you can generate money from this particular EVD or transfer offer, is that you can register other people to become a retailer, where you also get paid. Now previously, or some time past, before you can get the transfer sim, it costs a whole lot of money. Okay, before you can get the transfer sim, but since you are getting this particular offer, you can't charge that much again. Okay, you can't charge that much again. You can charge like 15 cedis or 20 cedis, 25 cedis, yeah, because this is applicable to all network. Okay, not that it is MTN alone or Vodafone alone or Airtel to go alone. This is applicable to all network. You can transfer to all network. Okay, yeah, so when you are registering somebody to become a retailer, you can also take some token out of it, then you register the person, you make your profit at that part also. So this is like using one stone to kill two birds. Okay, that is selling the airtime to get profit, and also registering retailers, new retailers, to also get profit. Aside all this, whenever you transfer airtime, okay, Yeah, at the end of the month, the system also pays you a commission, okay, depending on the number of people you've transferred to. When you transfer, I think every 10 transfer you make 40 pesos or so. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, so the system too is going to pay you at the end of the month by using their system or by rendering services to people, okay. Yeah, so this is the business part of this particular EVD as well. So I know you are going to enjoy this particular tutorial, and please hit on the link at the comment section. You come straight to my DM and you get yourself registered ASAP. If you are new to this particular channel, please go ahead and hit on the subscribe button to help this channel, and if you are old too, please give us a thumbs up by liking this particular video and sharing to your friends so that they also get to benefit of this offer. Once again, the name is Supreme. It's bye for now.